Good morning, everyone. Jones Multinet. I am at a customer's house trying to save this carpet. Customer told me it's actually banana that the little kid had put down on the floor and stepped on it and left it there for a little while. So let's see what kind of results we can get with our professional product. We're going to be encapping this, so we're not going to be over-wetting it. Extremely important. You don't want to over-wet carpets. And you can see it's everywhere in this room. Take a look. So back up. It's really everywhere. So I would love to see the final results of all this. So stay tuned. We'll be back. So we're back from the video we did a couple of minutes ago, and here are the final results. It all actually came out brand new. So looks like we have good products. Jones Multinet, 514-704-3947. Give us a call.